have 25,000 won week. How to use? I want to have more money, so I want to buy item and sell. Buy my 청담 videos like. First, buy item and sell. I can have many money. For example, I buy best item for 25,000 won, and I can sell 30,000 won, and I am buy other item. I sell more expensive, and I have many money to sell and buy. I can have 100,000 won. Is maybe easy. So I can have many money, and I have 100 million, and 1 billion wons. Maybe I can. So I can give poor people and can buy many foods, items, car, and airplane ticket. Second reason, buy 청담's my video like. I can win my money. Who can to win money? And I have too many money. This is not good first, but I happy to winner, and I can proud parents. I have some money, but it and too happy. I really want to my parents happy and my happy. And later I am 20 years old. I remember happy memories, and I'm proud my friends. They are happy. I am winner and feels good. Want to use 25,000 won, buy item and sell. Buy my 청담 videos like, because I can do rich and I can have happy. Thank you for listening.